Hi, I am Tanushree, the captain of IP Swimming. Swimming is unique to us because it is an experience you won't get in most schools. It is something that brings both the younger and older students together. When I first joined, I was a bit scared, but my seniors were very nice and helpful. They always made sure that I was comfortable and was included in both during training and after training. As a leader, I had learned to take initiative to help out my teachers and fellow teammates when they are in need. I have also learned how to think out of the box to solve problems that may arise. One thing that the juniors who join TJ can look forward to is the chance to have fun while training hard together. Don't worry, we are as chill as the cool water in the pool, so we'll get along swimmingly. So join swimming for a select time. Thank you!